from Tuscany. My name is Arianna and I am the owner, together with my business partner Massimo, of the tour company Arianna and Friends. Many of you already know us, okay? You have already spent with us some times cooking together and going to visit places, farms, villages, hilltop towns all around Tuscany, and especially in our beautiful area called Terre di Pisa. We miss you. We miss you so much. We miss you so much in these days because you cannot travel here to Tuscany, and this will go on like that for who knows how many months. And so we want to make something special for you. We want to be closer to you, and we want to really feel that we are together somehow. And so maybe someone of you have already seen what we were offering a few days ago about having a parcel of olive oil from Tuscany shipped directly home, together with an online video of 15 minutes where my colleague Massimo is explaining you everything about extra virgin olive oil. And now instead this other opportunity for us to be together, even if distant. And this is an online cooking class. It is an online cooking class where we will cook something traditional from Tuscany together, and it will be done via WhatsApp or Skype, any kind of connection that you like. We will decide together the date, the time. You will decide the recipes that you want to learn from a list that we will provide, and then I'm going to give you then the list of the ingredients that you have to provide, the list of tools, because maybe you need a rolling pin for making pasta, maybe you need a mezzaluna knife, the king of all the knives in Tuscany, that if you have already made a cooking class with us, you know what we are talking about. And you need all the information before starting this online cooking class. So we are going to give you the list of ingredients and tools that you need to provide, and at the time we will have decided together, we will call you and we will cook together a meal that will be your meal for your family and your friends at home. This is a wonderful way for us to be together, even if we are so far away. And I have to really thank you a lot from all of us, from all the friends of Arianna and Friends, for what you have done so far for us, being closer to us in many ways, supporting us in many ways. We constantly receive emails from you, and we are very, very happy that you have a thought for us, and somehow we would like also to thank you and share with you some more experiences, and hopefully, of course, we hope that we will see you live very, very soon. So this is a new activity that we are proposing, and we really hope that it will work, that you will call us or email us, and we can arrange some cooking classes online this way. As we said, they are private, so just for you and your family, and you will meet either myself in my kitchen, this is my kitchen, or Massimo in his kitchen, okay? And so now I need to urgently prepare my dinner, and next time I will prepare my dinner, maybe it will be with you. Who knows? I really hope so. I really hope so. So thank you very much for listening, for watching, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I hope to see you soon. Ok, ciao, arrivederci, bye bye.